Welcome, in front of me is a REALME X2 Pro, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, what you want to do is hold the power key. From there, simply power it off, and once it's off, you want to hold the power key and volume down. So both of them at the same time. And from here, let go of the keys. So you should see the 3 language option select, so simply tap on the option that you want to use, the language. I'm gonna go with English, and there we go, Color OS Recovery. So there we go. And from here we can install updates from storage, online updates, wipe data, reboot system, and power off the device. So whatever you select, again, you simply tap on it to accept it, which I'm gonna go with the reboot option. Let's confirm it too. That's basically it. There's not much more to this recovery mode, so just wait for it to boot back up into Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.